Regulation CC Funds Availability. Overview of Regulation CC. Thank you for watching this video on Regulation CC, the Federal Reserve regulation that governs the availability of funds deposits in banks and credit unions. In this video, we'll explore the key provisions of Regulation CC and understand how it affects consumers and financial institutions. The purpose of this video is to define Regulation CC and its purpose, identify the key requirements of Regulation CC, understand the different types of holds on funds, explain the rules of check processing and availability, and recognize the disclosure requirements under Regulation CC. So what is Regulation CC? Regulation CC, also known as the Expedited Funds Availability Act, was enacted by the U.S. Congress to protect consumers when depositing funds into their bank accounts. It establishes the maximum time a bank can hold funds before making them available for withdrawal. Key provisions. Number 1. Funds availability. Banks and credit unions must make funds from certain deposits available within specific timeframes. Number 2. Holds on deposits. Financial institutions can place holds on deposited funds under certain circumstances, such as large or out-of-state checks. Number 3. Check processing. Regulation CC provides guidelines for processing and clearing checks. Number 4. Disclosure requirements. Financial institutions are required to provide customers with specific disclosures regarding their funds availability policies. Types of holds. There are two main types of holds that financial institutions can place on deposited funds. The first one is case-by-case holds. These holds are based on specific circumstances such as suspicions of fraud or unusual activity. The second is exceptions holds. These holds apply to certain types of deposits such as large dollar amounts or checks from new accounts. Check processing and availability. Local checks. Banks must make funds from local checks available within a certain time frame, usually within 1 to 2 business days. Non-local checks. Funds from non-local checks may have longer availability periods, typically up to 5 business days. Next day availability. Banks must provide next day availability for certain deposits, including U.S. Treasury checks and electronic payments. Disclosure requirements. Financial institutions must provide members with clear and understandable disclosures regarding their funds availability policies. These disclosures should include information about holds, availability timeframes, and any fees associated with the account. Thank you for watching. We have covered the key provisions of Regulation CC, including funds availability, holds on deposits, check processing, and disclosure requirements. Remember, the only people who get it are the people who get it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us on YouTube.